In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to market on Pinterest. We're going to set up the core foundation that helps your content get discovered, properly attributed, and measured. This walkthrough takes you straight into Pinterest's settings so you can link your presence and access the tools that matter for marketing. Start by heading to pinterest.com in a web browser. The desktop site makes the next steps easier to see, though the general flow is similar in the app. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, look to the top right and open your account menu, then choose Settings. If you land on a general account panel and see another settings option within that page, click it as well. Pinterest sometimes shows a primary menu and a secondary panel, so don't worry if it feels like you're confirming the same choice twice. You're on the right track. Inside Settings, look for the area related to linking or connecting your presence to Pinterest. You might see wording like Link to Pinterest. This is where the marketing magic begins. Linking is important because it associates your website and other touchpoints with your Pinterest account. That connection unlocks features like analytics, richer pin information, and clearer attribution so you can see what content drives saves, clicks, and conversions. Navigate to the section for claiming or linking your site. This is often labeled Claim within the Settings menu. Claiming your website tells Pinterest that you're the verified owner, which strengthens your brand presence on the platform. When your site is claimed, your profile appears on your content across Pinterest, and you can access more complete performance data. From the claim page, click Learn More. This opens Pinterest's official guide for linking and verification. It explains the available methods, what permissions you'll need, and common troubleshooting steps. Read through it carefully so you choose the approach that fits your setup. If you manage your own website, you'll learn exactly what to add and where. If someone else maintains your site, the guide gives you the concise instructions to share with them, which saves a lot of back and forth. A few tips as you review that guide. Have access to your site's backend before you begin, so you can move smoothly. Plan to verify only with the account you want as your long-term brand hub, and keep the verification in place so analytics and attribution stay consistent over time. Once your presence is linked and claimed, your marketing on Pinterest becomes far more effective because you can track performance, build credibility, and create a reliable feedback loop for what to pin next. That's it for this setup. Follow the Learn More instructions on the page you just opened, and you'll be ready to market on Pinterest with confidence.